Then in addition to this, what you want to do is you're going to have some sort of a follow-up schedule in place. Follow-up schedule is important. All right. And usually that's going to be done with the calls and text messages. When you have a for sale by owner that you met with, that you had a good rapport with, that you feel like you have a good shot of getting the listing from, and he for some reason doesn't want to sign there on the spot, he wants a day or two or a week to wait, what you have to do, and this is something that is very critical, you have to call him and text him every day. Every day. Sorry, I know some of you may not feel this comfortable, or you feel like it's annoying, or maybe a sign of desperation. No, it's not. Okay? You want to call and text every single day. Ideally, you want to create a set of videos that go out every single day to that for sale by owner. Why? Because after you met with him, and after you were able to build a rapport with him, and after you even left the stop with him, guess what? He's still getting phone calls. He's still meeting with the agents. And there are a lot of good agents out there that will get that listing. So what that means is that information of for sale by owner has to be in your car on one of the, you know, what do you call those little sheets? What do you call those little sheets? When you take tests, right? Remember those little sheets? What do you call those sheets, guys?
Call it cheat sheet.
Is it the cheat sheet? What is it? Cheat sheet? Those little things that you cards. These cards that you
4x6 cards.
Index cards.
Index cards. Okay, great. Index card. Have an index card. One in the car. One in your office. One in your home office. One in front of your mirror. Doesn't matter. It's got to be in front of you. This person, this guy, this gal, his information has got to be in front of you essentially 18 hours a day. It's beyond the database. Why? Because again, you get that listing, that's $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $15, $20,000 commission check. And you already done so much work. You picked up the phone, you made a call, you met him in person, you shared your value prop, you talked about commission, you know he's serious, you know he wants to list, do the rest of the part. Finish the job, get the listing. If that means you got to call him every day, call him every single day. Text him every single day. Ideally, you also want to call him on Mondays. Why I like Mondays? Because usually on the weekends, they try to do an open house or two. Nothing works out. And then they get, you know, a little bit discouraged. Now you call them on Monday.